Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. In today's work example, we'll be finding the position of an object after t seconds, and we know that the object started at the point 2, 1, 5, and it has the constant velocity of -2, 3, 1. So let's start. So we know from physics that the displacement is always equals to velocity multiplied by time. For constant velocity, obviously the displacement is equals to velocity multiplied by time. So in t seconds, the displacement of an object with velocity 215 with -231, this velocity would be -231, and we know that the time is in t seconds. So this would be the displacement in t seconds of an object with this velocity. So moving on, we to find the final position of the object. The final position of the object would obviously be sum of the initial position plus how much the object displaced. So the displacement of the object. So we know from the question that the initial position is 215, and the displacement we know from here to be -231, t. So we know that the final position of the object after 2 seconds would be of this form. And we can even write this in the form of as parameters of the x, y, and z. So we can write that the x coordinate would be 2 minus 2t, the y coordinate would be 1 plus 3t, and the z coordinate would be 5 plus t. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you all in the next lesson.